Good day, everyone. In the last video, I've shown you how to use branching using if-else statements in JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the same branching using the switch statement equivalent to the C switch statement. I'm going to use the same example, which is grade computation and classification from numeric grade to letter grade. But this time, we are also going to add a feature where it will issue a comment whether the grade is failing, the grade is passing, average, good grade, very good grade, and excellent. We are going to do that by using a switch statement. Remember earlier that we have already computed the letter grade, the grade and the letter equivalent of a grade in JavaScript. This time we are going to add a comment to our uh, to our web page, which says whether it is an excellent or grade passing or whatever, and so on. Okay. We are going to place the comment after the letter grade, where we are going to place perhaps two breakpoints. Okay, so up here, and then we will use an H1. Okay, we will use an H1 so that it will be very visible. So let's create an H1 and we will have it an ID as grade comment. Okay, grade comment, and then we'll of course we are going to terminate H1. Okay, now let us generate the comment. Okay, so we are going to do that by using a switch statement, and LG is our variable. So we follow the traditional C syntax where we use switch and the condition, the variable condition, which is LG. We start with an open and end. Okay, and every branch is identified by a case with a break. No? For example, case F colon. No? Anyway, we'll declare a variable called comment. Okay, grade comment. Okay, above. No. So now we have declared a variable grade comment. We'll say grade comment is equal to a failing grade. Okay, and then semicolon, and then we'll like the usual way we'll put a break. Okay, and the next bracket is a D. Okay? A D is considered a passing grade. Will the comment will be a passing grade. Okay, and then a C and a C plus. They are called average grades. No, we'll have a do a C plus first, C plus that an average grade. How do we couple the C here? Grade C will just have another case. Add it here at the beginning. Okay, and they'll C. Now take note that there's no distinction between KC and KC plus. Now in traditional C++ syntax, the KC and KC plus is like joining them with an OR if you're using an if statement. It's just like if LG equals C or LG is equal to C plus. So joining them together in sequence like this is the gets the effect of an OR in an if then else statement. Okay, I hope you follow. And then we are going to take B. B is considered a good grade. That is a good grade. Okay. Then B plus is considered a very good grade. And then we can say case A, or we can also say default. Okay, grade comment is an excellent grade. Okay, let me save this. So I hope there's no syntax error. So we are now generating a comment. Okay, so we can now issue that to our H1. So we'll say get element by ID. No, it should be up outside the switch. Sorry for that. Get element by ID grade comment. But it's not an input, so we'll use inner HTML equals grade comment. Okay, okay. So there it is. That's the code which generates a comment using a switch statement. And a feature here is the sequence between C and C plus, where the effect is like joining them in a condition involving OR. Okay, let's head over to our test site and then refresh. Let's try a 40 and then 100, the base 40. Let's compute the grade. Uh, our comment is not good. Is not that good. I'm sorry. So let's have to change this first. Grade comment. It's not just grade, but we'll say the grade is plus. So it's better that way. Okay. Let's refresh this. 40, 100, base 40. Okay, that's a failing grade. If we change this to 60 and then compute a grade, that's an average grade. How about 55? That's a passing grade. Okay. How about 70? That's an average grade because it's a C plus. Let's say 90. That's an excellent grade because it's an A. So our program is not just able to compute the grade and convert into a letter equivalent using if then else, but it's also able to generate a comment whether it's failing, passing, and so on and so forth. And we did that using switch statements. So that's all for now. I hope you follow. Bye and see you in our next videos.